Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Ivan again on part 2 of this series showing you how to create medical forms for your microblading business for free. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make your PDF form editable for your customers, for them to actually be able to fill them digitally online through their computer, through their smartphone or their tablet. Now, there are other ways for you to get this done, but obviously there is a monthly fee like DocuSign. In this case, I'm going to be showing you how to create it for free. So on my previous video, I explained to you guys how to create a PDF file with your own logo step by step. Now, this is another way for you guys to do it for free as well without using Photoshop or Microsoft Word. So let's go ahead and get started here. So what you want to do, you actually want to open up an internet page. So what you're going to go to this website called pdfscape.com. And you are going to select the file that you have. So the form that we created on the previous video is right here. So microblading release form. So I'm going to go ahead and select that file, choose file, and it's actually going to upload it here. Okay, so once it loads, what you're gonna do on this left side, there is a way for you to make these lines editable for your customers to input their information. So you're gonna click on form field, you're gonna select text, you're gonna click select, and you are gonna click and drag. That's all you gotta do, just make a little box right here. And just make it maybe like 10 on the font, and you're gonna do this for every single line. Now this is gonna take some time depending on how many questions you ask or how many boxes or questions you have in there. So for this email, I'm gonna make it a little bit longer. Signature, same thing, and I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. The date, this one should be a little bit smaller. Again, this is gonna take you some time to do, so if you guys want to fast forward, that's totally up to you. And I'm gonna explain when it comes down to check marks. This is gonna be another option here. So you click, keep on going. Okay, so right here, you're gonna select checkbox. Okay. Actually, you guys see how you select a checkbox in one of the questions, but in this case, my bad, it's not a check, it's just a text, because it's asking about daily consumption of water, how many ounces of caffeine, of alcohol. In this case here, I am gonna be doing a checkbox because it's asking a yes and no question. See? And I'm gonna do the same thing for the other ones. Make sure that you unselect it. Like I said, this is gonna take some time, so if you guys want to fast forward the video, it's totally fine. You guys might want to watch the video a couple of times for you guys to follow along or pause the video. Let me see, where else do I need? Check, yep, this one. So it's one at a time. Anyway, I'm not gonna go through every single box here because I already have my own created. But you guys get the point. You just gotta do one at a time. What else do we need? Anyway, this is just one line at a time, okay? Now, if you guys want, you guys can always add text as well. Let's say that you forgot to add something in here. You guys can always do that. You guys can create your own text here, okay? You guys get the point. You guys can always add to that. That's why earlier on the first video I said you don't even need to have your own Microsoft Word, because you can actually do it here, but it's just going to take you a little bit longer. Now here as well, you can always add your image. So the reason why I had you guys do through Photoshop earlier is for you guys to have your logo on the background. But here you can always add your image. But if this one is actually going to be on top, there's no way for you to put it on the background. Let me see, where is that image? Image, choose image, choose. I guess it's not liking it. Anyway, this is how you create the form online. So what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna save it now. So you're gonna click on, let's see, share. No, it's not share. Oh, it's right here, sorry. On the left side, it says save document. Okay. Now as you guys can see, it automatically saved it for me in my downloads folder. So there it is. See, now you guys are able to, like, your customer will be able to pull this up and put their information. Anyways, you guys get the point. So if you guys have any other further questions, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you out. This is gonna take some time, obviously, for you guys to create. You guys don't have the time, or you guys having a hard time doing it, please send me a message and I'll be more than happy to help you out with this, okay? Anyway, thank you so much. Again, the only thing that I ask for you guys is just to give us a like, share the video if you found it helpful, and please follow us on our social media at Millie's Beauty Studio and on Facebook as well. And again, this is Ivan. Thank you so much for your time. You guys have a wonderful day.